Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can allow access to the camera in the Facebook app on your Android. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes, and write comments at the end of the video. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your phone. Next, you will need to find the section called App or App Log, whoever has the name. Once you get to all of your apps, so you don't have to search for Facebook, you just go to the search bar and you type in the word Facebook. You get the app in question, you click on it. Then you click on the resolution at the bottom. And next you find Camera. Now you have to choose how you want to give permission or access to the camera in this app. So you can either give no permission at all, but that's not our option at the moment, or you can choose one of the two options above. It's either always allow access to the camera when you use the app, or asking every time you use the Facebook camera, so that every time you ask for permission. I recommend everyone to choose the very first option because it makes using Facebook so much easier. And then you don't have to go to settings every time and give your permission to access the camera. And after you choose the first option, that's basically it. You have set up camera access permission on your Facebook. And now you can safely go to the application to take photos and videos for your stories. This is a simple way to allow access to the camera in the Facebook application, absolutely on any Android. Friends, I hope that this video was useful to you. Please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to write comments, be sure to put your likes, and see you soon.